I've been chasing this problem on my car. Mini Cooper S, 2011 and 18. I bought it from some guys over in Seattle. I live over on the west side, or on the east side rather. God, it's had so many little problems. Anyways, I started with the PCV. I had a mass airflow sensor code coming up, and if I unplugged it, it would run great. But if it was plugged in, it would spit and sputter and misfire and causing all problems. So tracking it down, I used some carb cleaner and sprayed all my vacuum lines. Just trying to find out what it was. Well, anyways, ended up seeing there was oil coming from my valve cover back here, and sprayed some carb cleaner back there and got it to rev up. So I changed that and didn't fix the problem. But when I was down there, I saw on my air intake there was the nuts that hold the intake manifold onto the engine. Was one of them was laying up there, so I pulled the airbox off, and I'm looking, and that nut was finger tight. That one, the middle one, this one, and that one were all gone. So it was literally just being held on by one nut. So I pulled off the intake, threw a gasket on there, and then put new nuts on the back on the intake manifold, tightened everything down, torqued everything. Obviously torqued my valve cover right, but just goes to show you guys, you never know. I mean, I could have taken this to the shop and it could have cost me thousands. You never know. These guys might have been, they might have had a hard time tracking down the issue, or it could have been in there for who knows how long. But if you just start with some videos on YouTube like I did, and as long as you have basic mechanic skills, you can fix your car and get it taken care of. I'm sure glad I did. I love this car. It's been fun. My kids love it. Little turbocharged little beast, man. And they're really not hard to work on. It only took me 30 minutes to change the valve cover gasket, minus cleaning time and stuff, but super simple. Yeah, another one that I had, we were gonna put a new cat on here because I kept getting a P0420 code. Well, I popped off the heat shield, and there's a catless downpipe on it already. Well, when I was gonna take it off, we ended up bumping into something down there. I don't know what it was, but it sparked. And long story short, we ended up putting the downpipe back on. I'm probably gonna get a stage 1 tune. But whatever that spark was ended up causing my car to go into limp mode. And I'm sitting here trying to figure it out, and so I started checking all my fuses, and the second fuse in here, it has to do with fuel. It was popped. It was 25 amp fuse. So I replaced it, and boom, took it out of limp mode, fixed the car. So just a little, I don't know, lift you up video. You can fix stuff on your own, guys. It ain't rocket science. I mean, there's enough videos out there. These cars aren't crazy hard. There's vacuum, there's electronics, there's a lot of intimidating stuff. It's kind of tight, but all in all, it's pretty simple, pretty basic stuff. So till next time, maybe I'll make some more videos if I run into more issues.